Okay. Hi guys. My name is Edu Alex. I'm currently pursuing my engineering in electronics and computer science engineering. I'm studying in Cardinal Science of Technology and Science. I'm here to present about a website that have created. It's a coffee restaurant. You so I'll show you a sample output of it. Uh, so So this is a sample output of my website. So first you see is the fresh coffee that you see here, the home page, and after the home page you see is about as this is about like detailed explanation of that coffee or about the owner of the restaurant, and the menu session is where there are different types of varieties of coffees that we are offering, and what are the ingredients and what are the mixes that we are using to make the coffee, and the price tag to order for the coffee. So these we have mentioned it, as you can see, espresso and condense the ingredients for espresso, latte, flat white, mocha, Turkish coffee, and the price tag of coffees. And finally, after that, you can see the review page where people review the coffee and put their rating based on how they feel about that coffee they have tried and about the thing they wanted to receive. And finally, down at last, you see is a page where you can order your coffees by mentioning your name, email, number, and the message. For example, if you wanted to mention about that you wanted a two coffees, you can mention that. Or else, if you want to reserve a table for your family or for everyone that you wanted, you can mention that here. And at last you see there are different branches and there are links down and the contact info, and social media links. You can travel through and look around. If you wanted to call and book, you can do that. Or else if you wanted to suggest your suggestions, or if you have any complaints, you can mention and put it in our mail. So this is the output of our website, and you can see if you, and I'll show you right now. What I'm going to show right now is the code that was made to create this. Okay, so here is code I'm going to show. Okay, yeah, here it is. As you can see, this is the HTML, and you see the front. Whatever you see in the front, the home page, the photos, all the things that you see in the front is made using the HTML. You can see the header files, home, about, reviews I have mentioned. Here is the content, and the wordings that you see is basically written over here. As you can see, I made a fresh coffee in the morning that you see in the home button. So this is where I write it, and this is what it's get depicted. For here, for a sample, this thing I have gone with fresh coffee in the morning. If you wanted for a different approach and different wordings, you can go try insert another one. And the images that you see are the links that you see here. This is the image that I've inserted, and I'll copy the path of that image and place it here. So the image path that I mentioned here is what it is getting displayed on the first page. And the about page that you see the content of all that is here. As you can see, the p tag is what that is used when you're going to mention a huge paragraph. P means paragraph. And there are some characters that you can see that it's mentioned in bold letters. So we use B tag and close it with B tag. So what's that? What are all the characters that come inside that B tag will be bold in letters. And the icons image that you see here, icons, the path to that is mentioned over here. And the menu, as you can see, you have seen the this thing, the regarding about that coffee and the price tag, that you can change. If you wanted to change the price to 300, from 200 to 300, you can change it to like 300. It's simple as that. And regarding and the different types of menus that I mentioned here is this. And fast forward, this is the things that you are seeing in front, and behind that you have noticed there are like navigation bar. When you press the home header file, you go to a home page. If you press a menu, you go to a menu page. If you press a review, you go to a review page. And all that is happening because of the JavaScript. As you can see here, the Java. All the navigations that you see is all because of the Java that you see in JavaScript. So this is all the navigation, all the things that is happening behind is all because of this thing. And this is all upon my website, and this is just a sample website of a coffee restaurant. I hope you guys have liked it, and thank you. And see, thank you.